So how you can create content decay report in 8 steps, I'll just show you. First you have to install the Otomates Google Sheet add-ons. Now you can just open GSC in Sheets. After that you have to select the site for which you want to create a content decay report. So I am creating for this one site, and now I can select like the dates between it. So I am gonna select the dates from 2024 March, yes, and select the full month's date so you get accurate data, and I'm getting a data for 30th May. Right now in the reporting mode you have to select it. In the report type you have to select monthly in the, and just enable the heat map, right, and just click on the get data. Now what it will do, it will create a monthly reports from 1 March 2024 to 31st May 2025. Now what you do, after you get all the data, you just have to create two new columns, and as per the report, in the B2 column put the name as the peak traffic. Like this doesn't matter, you can put whatever the traffic you wanted, and in the C column you can, like, this is basically a peak traffic, it will fetch from all the dates, and this is the traffic difference, it will get calculated based on your peak traffic plus the last month, right? So how do you get the peak? Just copy this formula, paste this formula here, and it will get you the peak traffic for any month, and then traffic difference. To get the traffic difference, you just copy this formula and paste that formula here. Now you actually get the traffic difference. What you can do, you can copy them as a paste, and you can click here. Now you can close the GSC scenes and everything. Now you can just go here and traffic difference Z to A to Z. Yeah, now you can see, like, this is the traffic where it was actually getting 8,000 traffic, 8,800 traffic, but it lost like 7,000 traffic, right? Almost a lot of traffic, 90% traffic maybe. Now what I can actually do is I should actually focus on these pages to regain the traffic that I actually lost. Thank you.